Hi, I'm Christian. Welcome back to another On the Road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. Today we're working on a Maytag Bravos XL top-load washing machine. We're going to be replacing the bleach dispenser because there is a hole either in the actual cup or the actual hose. We're replacing it as an assembly because that's how Whirlpool makes it. The tools you will need to complete this repair are a 1/4-inch nut driver and a pair of needle nose pliers. So to begin the repair, we do have to access the rear of the unit to remove 2 set screws. That way the top, we'll say assembly here, will slide towards us so we can gain access to the components on the tub. So we're gonna remove the 2. They're both 1/4-inch screws. And it's the top screw on the green part of the hinge. We'll set the screws aside. We'll open the lid here, and we do have to remove this top portion of the dispenser. We'll say this is a clip that holds the actual dispenser in place. So to do so 3 clips are on each side. We're just gonna flex the sides out, just like that. Do that to all 3. We'll lift it out. As you see, there's 3 more clips that actually secure the dispenser assembly to the top frame. We're gonna go ahead and flex them away and it'll sit there wobbling. Now we can close the lid and remove the lid. Now that the lid's been closed, I'm gonna reach my hand on the inside of the lid and pull on the actual, we'll say, top panel towards me and remove them from the front clips. That way I can close the lid again and swing the whole top panel up. Before I rest it on anything, I'm going to put tape on the top panel to hold it in place. The top panel is spring loaded, so if you don't have this tape, it's gonna swing open really hard. Now that the top panel is up, we're gonna remove this actual hose for another dispenser. That way we have our free bleach dispenser here. We're gonna remove the spring clamp that holds the hose onto the actual valve. We will pull out on the actual hose. When you do this, the water will come out, so make sure you have a little towel to catch the drip. Just like that. Now we can maneuver the dispenser assembly out and set it aside. To begin the installation, we're first going to maneuver the new dispenser in place. Once it is in its look. Once it's placed, we can go ahead and once the dispenser's routed, we can go ahead and reconnect the actual fill hose to the water valve. We're gonna push it on, make sure that it's nice and flush, just like that. And using needle nose pliers, we will go ahead and re-secure that hose with the spring clamp that comes with the new dispenser. Next, I'm gonna remove my tape from the lid while holding a hand on the lid and the top panel together. I'll start dropping the actual top panel down. I'm gonna open the lid. Before I drop the top panel down all the way, I'm gonna reseat the actual dispenser cup in place by lining it up with the tabs and then pushing up from the bottom. Just like that. Now go ahead and re-secure the top panel. Next, we drop the top panel down on the way. We're gonna start closing the lid, put our hands on the inside of the lid. We're gonna pull back on the lid towards us. That way it goes over the clips. Once it's over the clips on each side, we can then close the lid all the way and push the top panel back so we can re-secure the 2 1/4-inch screws we removed earlier. Next, we can go ahead and open the lid, and we will reinstall the old bleach dispenser clip. We're just gonna line it up and push straight down. Just like that. We'll go ahead and close the lid, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality in-home repair video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.